Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that lives in upcountry Sri Lanka but is hard to spot. The pied thrush. The pied thrush is a member of the thrush family. Slender ground-dwelling thrush. They breed in the central Himalayan forest and winter in the hill forest of southern India and Sri Lanka. Male is breathtakingly decked out in black and white. Female is not as eye-catching, but still distinctive with a white eyebrow, scaled underparts and long yellow bill. Like many other thrushes, they forage on leaf litter below forest undergrowth and fly into trees when disturbed and sit still, making them difficult to locate. Their calls are like locally named Gomara Thirasikaya. I have not seen the pied thrush. One such place you can see them is the Horton National Park. At Horton National Park, there is an attraction called the World's End. It is an 800-meter cliff where you get to see a breathtaking scenery of southern Sri Lanka. If you visit Sri Lanka, don't forget to check this attraction out.